Hey, it's Pete, GCI Turfing. Man, I want to show you the absolute two easiest ways I know of to fertilize your trees and shrubs. First way, watering can. Pretty simple. Take your watering can. This is a 2-gallon watering can right here. Fill it up. We're almost full. Got some RGS. Now I'm doing 2 medium-sized crepe myrtles. They're not real big. They're maybe 9 foot tall, maybe something like that. So I'm gonna put me enough in here for both of them. So I'm gonna run about, I don't know, 6 ounces of RGS. That'll be good. And then I'm gonna run about 6 ounces of FloraGreene as well. And again, these trees aren't huge, so they don't need quite as much. Bigger trees, obviously, you're gonna want to use a little bit more product. So here's a crepe myrtle I was telling you about. I've done the one on the other side of the driveway, and not a very big crepe myrtle. The trunk may be as big as my forearm, maybe a little bit smaller. Great day to be doing this. Slightly overcast, a little bit of rain. Gonna kind of wash this stuff in. This is literally, it's this easy. Now the second easiest way I know of, and especially if you want to spray the foliage, if you want to spray the leaves of the tree, I'm just going to use a hose end sprayer. I picked this up off of Amazon somewhere. Never used one in my life up until today, but they're incredibly easy, very useful. I'm going to put me a little water in here to start. Like that. So I'm going to spray 1, 2, 3 Japanese maples. They're decent size. They're blood good Japanese maples. And I'm just going to want enough to soak down the foliage of the tree, soak down the bark, the whole 9 yards. So heck, I'm going to put about 8 ounces in here. This is FloraGreene. Yeah. A little bit more. So that's some FloraGreene, and I'm gonna put, I don't know, maybe 6 ounces or so of RGS in here, like so. Remember, whenever you're rinsing out your measuring cups like this, always rinse it out over a bush, tree, flower, shrub, whatever, when you're using any of these Green County products, because man, that's good stuff in there. Now, one thing I did notice on this is it has a very fine mesh filter on the bottom, and I'm just going to get rid of that thing because I don't want a filter on it so it doesn't get clogged up. Screw it down like so. Make sure it's tight. We can go spray. It does change colors a little bit. You don't have that perfect clear water coming out anymore. Now I do have this thing on the highest setting, which is number 10, because I don't have all day. Now the rain has let up quite a bit. It's not even hardly raining now. The sky's actually kind of clearing up. So this would be considered a foliar application because I'm spraying the product directly to the foliage. So the leaf material, the leaf will take this in, the bark of the tree, everything that this touches on the tree, it's going to absorb it and take it in. Now you can see how this works. I've got the dipstick out, and watch as I put it, lower it down in, see how it sucks it up into the water flow. That's pretty neat, isn't it?